Here is how you can download Epic Games Launcher in your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download Epic Games Launcher in your PC. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after in the search bar, type Epic Games and search for it. Now you will find the official website of Epic Games. Click on it. It will take you to the official website of Epic Games. Now in order to download Epic Games Launcher, you will find this download option on the top right side. Click on it and the launcher will start to download. As you can see, the size of the launcher is 176 MB, so it might take a few seconds in order to complete the download. After completing the download, simply install the file and you will have Epic Games Launcher in your PC. So in this way you can easily download Epic Games Launcher in your computer or laptop. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.